Goy, ice cream ka, Goy? How about CJ? Hi, Kuya. Hinahanap ako. Si Kuya Ite. Kumusta? Oh, sige. Kagwapo.
Follower. CJ. Follower.
Yeah, where's CJ? Pahingi din. Kishana, ate, oh. Oo, okay, thank you. Taga, saan ka sa atin?
Antiki po.
Uy, Antiki. Saan ka sa Antiki?
Si Balong.
Malapit lang yung Kapanda?
Shout out taga Antiki. Oo, malapit lang. Followers din ako ni Kibler.
Oh, that's makakadon siya.
Johannes andyan. Hello po. Shout out taga Antiki.
Ayan, ganda ng mga taga-Antiki, oh.
Papo.
Ano yan? Tok na tuti. Uyak.
Thank you po.
Oh, sige. Oh, sige. Oh, dito, kuya.
Finally, I met you. Huh?
Say hi, Don.
Oh, I've been watching you in the Facebook all the time.
And there's other one, kuya. Yeah. Uh-huh.
In the Roningo. Finally, I met you in personal.
Nice to meet you, kuya.
Watching you in the Facebook all
Oh,
the
thank
time.
you. Ayan.
Ano si Kuan? Anong pangalan to? CJ.
Aha.
CJ.
Oh, sige, picture tayo.
Ano? Agoy-agoy oh.
Yeah.
Ikaw si this Chris, right? I've been watching her almost every day. Nice. On Facebook.
Thank you, kuya, ha.
Agoy-agoy oh.
Baka may shoutout ka sa Pinas.
I live in Boynton.
Pinas.
Boynton Beach. Hi! Finally, Inday Runing is here. It's Philippine Independence Day.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nice
everybody
to meet
knows.
you. Nice to meet you, kuya, ha.
Okay.
Ayan, asa na ito isa pahingi na, be. Walay ako, walay akin. Nawa na. Picture tayo, kuya? Picture daw kami.
Alright. Good to see
Okay.
you guys.
Nice to meet you, kuya.
Christiana.
Ah, sige na. O, tingkod na tindog. Tayo. Ayan o, mamang sorbetero. Oh. Okay. Yeah, Chris. Oh, really? O, sige. Picture tayo. Thank you, kuya.
Asawa mo, matagal ko nang kilala yan.
Ay, ikaw pala yung sinabi niya?
Ice Carver.
Ikaw yung sinabi niya. Kasi pumunta ka sa tindahan?
Oh.
Yes, it's yummy. Pumunta ka pala sa tindahan niya?
Napunta ako sa kanila pag bibili ako ng
Ah.
Pag bibili ako ng
Picture? Oh, here. Oh. Ah, nice picture. Maganda ko yan.
Ayan.
Mag-selfie tayo eh, babe. Please hawak. I will take a picture.
Hello, Maggie Vegan. ¿Cómo estás?
Agoy! 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 Yung agoy!
Ano kuya, doon ka kuya.
Hi.
Ay!
Thank you!
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, nice seeing you.
Nice to meet you, kuya. Ang ganda ng ice cream, John. Sumayaw na. Ang ganda ng ice cream, oh. Ayan ang lotong Pinoy. Andun si Kuya, busy. Kuya, hi! Ayan si Kuya na busy. Encanto. Ayan, lotong Pinoy ice cream, oh. Ang ganda ng ice cream. Yum, yum. Yes, kabayan. Oh, si hi ate, oh. Sabi niya, kabayan. May photo, oh. Photo na, ba? Ang ganda ng ganyan, oh. Go in there. Go stand in there. Go stand. Take a picture, babe. Oh, nice. Ayan yung mga lechon, oh. Ate, pwede pa hingi ng napkin? How many ice cream we can have? How many? I want some too. Yeah. Abi, CJ, can I have some ice cream? Buyag. Halika dito, Be, kay guwapa ka ni si Ate Buyag ko.
Hi.
Artistahin.
Hi. What's your name? Joanna. I always see you in the
Daming tao dito. Sarap ng buyag. Pag babae, dahil di na. Ayan.
Good.
Yeah, it's very good. Yummy. Hi, Te. Kumusta, Te? Dito, Te. Oh. Kasi nag-live ako. Sige.
Hi.
Sige, Te. Picture. Huh? I like this one, Te.
This is just bolero.
Oo,
This
oo.
is like
Yun ang maganda
regular.
kasi pwede kang mag-jeans.
Yeah,
ganyan.
this is just regular. And then
Wala yan dito, no? Sa atin.
I ordered Barong Warehouse.
Oh, really?
Yeah, online. Yeah,
Maganda.
right?
Bag, ang ganda. Nice to meet you, Te. Ayan yung mga lechon. Thank you, Te. Nag-ice cream ang mga bata. Nag-hi din siya, oh. Hi, Te. Hi. Si hi, Goy. Ayan, mga kababayan, no? Si hi, oh. Ang galati, Flor. Ha? Oh, kumusta? Oh, sarap naman yan. Ang sarap naman ang pagkain nyo. Nag-ice cream yung mga bata ko. Namit ko na to si Kuya. Nangisda sa ano? Sa bridge. Nangisda tayo sa bridge. Sa bridge ng Stuart. Yeah, I met him before. Yeah. Andun sila doon. Oh, sige ate, pudog na ko doon, te, ha? Oh, doon, nag-ice cream yung mga bata.
Cute naman yan pag ano? Ano nga pangalan yung babae? Ang cute.
Andun. Sige, te, ha? Nice to meet you, te. Uy, buyag. Sa maning nga. Ayaw po tagbuyag, kayo di tagwapa. Kumusta? Wala giti ulit. Eh, buyag.
Sana maniga.
Nga naman.
Sikat naman niya ako. Niga.
Ayaw pag ana, uy. Dili mo. Sikat mo taon.
Ay, maniga.
Kaya, gwapa kayo. Tayo si ate,
Sexy
oh.
kayo. Ako na kong masol.
Maayo ganun. Ay, si ate Yaya. Si Yaya. Oh.
Asa naman ito ni mo?
Ato dito gasigig na may doon. Doon.
Lagi kari ako.
Oh, may mga bata man din nag-enjoy.
Muli, sa magsaping na kami.
Gusto nang umuwi niya.
Ay, mag-swinging ka siya. Sige, uy,
Mas enjoy mo
sige,
din.
baya kong tanaw sa inyong live.
Salamat kayo.
Ayan, follower.
Salamat kayo, Tia. Nice to see you today.
Ikaw, gata ko ikaw.
Hello, pag-anak eh.
Murarag, why duha ka na?
Ay, guys, salamat. Muna na, te. Matura lagi dua.
Swerting ba na?
May asga.
Logi. Tagaluto nimo magkatubang dyan siya.
Maulagi.
Ako din mo.
Saan man nga mo, one man, pero di man po nang
Kasi
hilak.
man, agoy.
Dili man po siya mo kuan. Okay lang naman. Hindi naman. Alam
Oo,
naman yun.
daghan kay ka.
I-shout out tong taga inyo, no? Shout out.
Shout out si Marisa.
Marisa, shout
Inyong
out.
follower sa dyan. Text ni mo. North Carolina siya.
Pwede ay, i-shout
Medyo
out.
kanya pansin.
I-shout out mo na.
Marisa Brown.
Hi, Mama Marisa. Shout out.
Siya, sige ko. Ali ko niya. Ako ano ko. Ako.
Oh.
Kumika ko ni.
different options of hitting sticks.
Di Pilipino.
Dili.
Cheers.
Dili sa Pinoy. Sa Pinoy.
Di Pilipino buto na.
Sa dira o pagkatuan na, mangita ra na kuan, mangita ra na og
And
unon-unon.
you incorporate all of that in different
Sige, oy, sige
O
kay.
sige te.
Makikuli na.
O sige te.
Sige, Guaps.
That's a little showcase of where it goes. Ultimately,
Babe, you can sit down there, babe.
this fight shouldn't last
Be, ako na pod si JB. Ako na pod.
What all of this is doing is teaching the student attributes of how to defend and counter. So if this is an attribute of
Hi.
defending that and counter.
How are you? How's school in St. Augustine?
That's what we're teaching. But what does that all mean?
Good? You're in
It
school
all
break
means
now?
that eventually it leads to
You're in
an
summer
example
camp?
of a full power strike
Now?
all the
Going.
way through. It's just good, fast. Within 10 seconds, somebody's down. We could go through that with this arm.
Sibo gamay, goy. Sibo gamay.
Sibo ka.
Asa ka silang...
That's how quick the weapons fighting is.
I like camping, but I was going.
Kaya gamuling ko si daddy. Sige. Babe, you can sit here with CJ.
TJ, get him up.
Okay, come on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
This is very tribal of life. It's usually taught within your units, within family groups, and just recently been really shared. I'd like to showcase my little 7-year-old daughter.
Hey,
Wow.
And her
Nakuha mo
sister.
na yung airdrop?
no?
Oh, that's okay. Later.
So it's teaching attributes.
Ang
how
sarap
to
ng ice cream, Ness.
fight and counter.
Kanina
So
pa ako
we do it through play.
Ay!
Nakalive ako. Floor.
Purple, show.
Ando na basic mga ano, ando na mga gwapa oh. Mga busy na sila dito.
So just showcasing to you how it's all about reflexes and movement.
Ando lang sila oh.
Everybody tends to ask, well, what happened when I don't have a stick?
TJ.
Well, this is just a tool. This is just a training tool. The history of it is that this was really a braided system.
Nagtuturo po siya ng ano yan is martial art?
Aramis.
Start off with the short
Aramis.
Aramish. Parang martial art.
Let me hold it for you.
You can eat the cone, GJ.
Well, it's better when it's clean. He's
Don't
playing
worry,
in it.
it's a trigger.
Nag-enjoy talaga sila yung mga bata dito sa kain ng kain.
With respect.
Dodo kain ng
Similar
kain.
training format.
Nag-enjoy.
Play.
Yummy?
I want some more ice cream. Can I bite some of your ice cream, ate?
It's at the bottom. Here.
You can't.
No way.
We have this for a stick weapon, it's an impact
Why?
weapon. And we break both.
They give it to me.
For an edge weapon, it's flesh. So that's a little bit of a demonstration as
How
to
many you can
how
get
the
on that?
basic curriculum expand into
Two more
a
ice cream.
She didn't
edge
take it.
weapon. Now to see what that looks like in a combat center.
Get one. Now he's eating it. Now you don't have much
Oh,
mess.
very good, ate.
Okay.
Everything.
Because I emptied, it's easier.
Very
Yeah.
good, ate. Very good.
I'm gonna throw this away.
Babe, the napkin for Cristiano.
Wow.
Baby,
That's a little bit of a show as to what it looks like with the same training.
baby
today.
fish, mama, be, kung meron pa ba? Jesus, marisip yung tiyan natin
This
si
is where we now espada y daga. We're gonna go through a little bit of the basic
Kayong bata.
of what that looks like combatively.
Diba? Salamat. Ayan, nadomis na. Nadomis na siya. Asan kaya sila Ate Flor? Si Ate Jan.
Nang! 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 Shout out!
Asa na mo, te? Dito mo sa likod. Nami dili lang yaya indat.
So that's a little bit of a show
Dili
of
may sa
how
tubangan.
we go from a stick training
Ha?
to a small plate training
Dini mo?
to as much as espadilla.
Sige. Narami dirite. Sige, okay.
When we don't have any weapons.
Si Ate Flor, they're in the back. They're in the back.
The transition is the concept stays the same, and now these are sticks. These are sticks.
Nag-video kayo doon sa
Oh, sa ice cream yun, ano sila. Ang daming tao dito. Yung kumuha sila, yung bumili ng ice cream. Mayroon nagpano. Ayan o, nagkarate sila.
It's all about reflexes. Being able to block them down.
Wait. You want to play with her?
You can play with her, ate. Go play. Ang ganda naman ng kanyang ano, oh. Ang ganda ng kanyang, ang kanyang sanya.
That's a little bit of a demonstration as to
Babe, can you wipe her
weapons
his hands?
training applies into everything.
Ikaw din ba-play ka din?
For martial arts, it actually just overlays into it. So I'm going to show you now what
Can you hold
looks
this?
like on a scale of weapons fighting.
Uh-oh.
If you wanna do that, oh yeah, pareho na kayo ng what will you do? What? If you do that, what will you do? Activity. What? Yep. It's like
CJ.
It's all about addressing the attack, blocking, and countering. So, everybody, that's a little bit of intro to Balintawak. Thank you to my students. Now, we're going to extend a little bit. And as for volunteers, you guys pull everybody. Please don't be shy. We need a couple of volunteers. Right there.
I'll have it.
Go volunteer, babe.
Let's go, guys.
Get Christiana up there.
Faster we go. Volunteers.
try to make smile without teeth. Open your mouth without a teeth. Open your mouth without a teeth. I see a teeth. I don't do that.
Come on, go.
All right. You guys take seconds. Hi. Take this one. All right, guys, let's go.
Good.
Walang gustong magpakarate. Ayun na. Si Yuyo. Yuyo. Volunteeryo. May ano si Yoyo.
Pagod ako.
Ganyan. Ayan ang cute nila, naglaro sila.
Yes.
Sige magkaibigan, bye-bye muna.
Share the stage.